Hello students, I am your educator Ritu. This is the part 6 of NEET question practice series. This question came in NEET 2019 and this question is related to chromosomal disorders. So let's first discuss these disorders and then try to solve this question. So first of all, what is chromosomal disorder? Chromosomal disorders are caused due to absence or excess or abnormal arrangement of one or more chromosomes. As the name suggests itself that these disorders are related to chromosomes, and generally in humans 23 pairs of chromosomes are present. So either the chromosome present in less number or more in number, it will cause some disease or disorders. And sometimes there is difference in structure of the normal chromosome which also cause some disorders. Sometimes abnormal arrangement also occurs which also cause disorders. So in the questions, Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, Edwards syndrome and Down syndrome are mentioned. So we will discuss about these. So first of all is Turner syndrome. Turner syndrome is caused due to absence of one of the X chromosome. Generally, the condition is 23 plus XX or 23 plus XY. This is female, this is male. This is the normal condition. But in Turner syndrome, the condition is 45 plus XO. That means there is absence of one chromosome. Total chromosomes are 46, but there is absence of one chromosome. So number is 45, and that one chromosome that is absent is X chromosome. So X0 or XO. 0 means one X chromosome is absent. So in Turner syndrome, 45 plus XO condition is present. That means it is a female. So in this female, symptoms are their ovaries are rudimentary. That means present but non-functional. They lack secondary sexual characters and they are generally sterile. Short stature means height is small and underdeveloped feminine character. The feminine characters will be less developed in case of Turner syndrome. Now, Klinefelter syndrome. This syndrome occur due to the presence of additional copy of X chromosome. That means 47 plus XXY. That means it is a male. One more chromosome, so the number is 47, and that chromosome which is more in number, that is X, so the condition is XXY. In Turner syndrome, the condition is 45 plus XO, and in Klinefelter syndrome, 47 plus XXY. This is female, this is male. So symptoms of this syndrome is that this male shows masculine development, but some feminine development also occur in this male because of one extra X chromosome. So the prominent character that occur in these males that have Klinefelter syndrome is development of breast, and this condition is known as gynecomastia. Gynecomastia means in males when development of breast is occur more than normal, and these individuals are also sterile. In both the syndromes, both are sterile. This female is also sterile and this male is also sterile. Now the next one is Down syndrome. In Down syndrome, it is occurred due to trisomy of 21 chromosome. That it is also known as trisomy of 21. That means extra chromosome is present, and that extra chromosome is not sex chromosome, that is an autosome. That means chromosome number 21 is present in extra number. Generally 2 copies are present, but in Down syndrome 3 copies are present. This disorder was first described by Langdon Down, so this syndrome was named after that. And this syndrome was characterized by flat back of the head, broad flat face, many loops on the fingertips, palm crease, big and wrinkled tongue, and congenital heart disease. Many diseases related to heart occur in these childs. So this is all about Down syndrome. And next one is Edward syndrome. Edward syndrome occurred due to trisomy of chromosome number 18. That means in this syndrome 18 number chromosome is present in additional. That means additional copy of chromosome number 18 is present. That is trisomy of 18. In this syndrome, symptoms are head is small, back of the head is prominent, ears are malformed and low set. That means ears are not developed fully. Mouth and jaw are small. Hands are clenched into fist. Index finger overlaps and other fingers. The fingers are not normal. Generally webbed conditions is present. So this is all about Edward syndrome. Edward syndrome due to trisomy of 18 chromosome. Down syndrome due to trisomy of 21 chromosome. Now we will see the question. What is the genetic disorder in which an individual has an overall masculine development, gynecomastia and sterile? This question was framed as it is from the NCERT book. Chapter is Principle of Inheritance and Variation. Topic is chromosomal disorders, page number 90 to 91. So the answer of this question is Klinefelter syndrome. As we had discussed all of these syndrome, so I had told you that in Klinefelter syndromes overall masculine development occur, but there is a condition named gynecomastia. So answer of this question is answer number 2. I hope you understand all these disorders. Each and every line of NCERT book is very important, so pay attention towards it. Do more revision and more practice. And if you think this video is beneficial for you, then please like and share it. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.